Okay, super quick, we are going to change the battery in a Dodge Ram truck key fob. Take the key out, you'll see right here is a place where you can break it open. Get your butter knife and gently pull the top off. That'll come off. This rubber pad will come off. It's going to come apart. This one's stuck. So that one's stuck. That comes off. Now we're getting down. The rubber part comes off. There's the battery. It is a 2032, and it obviously goes in with the button down. Click that in there like that. Turn this around. Put it back in there. Put this back on. Click that closed and you're done. Alright, and then you just snap it and you can put the key back in. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Tell your mom.